Fenwick's prosperity is based on its only export, Pinot Grand Fenwick, a small but sturdy local wine with a virile but friendly bouquet. For some obscure reason, the United States has always been the major market for this wine. Thus, secure in its prosperity and invigorated by its high alpine climate, Fenwick has always been a happy country. However, in 1959, a California wine grower bottled an imitation of Pinot Grand Fenwick and called it Pinot Grand Enwick. Backed by a vast advertising campaign and sold at a lower price, this imitation soon drove Pinot Grand Fenwick out of the American market. As a result, in a very short time, the Duchy of Grand Fenwick was in a state of absolute crisis. One fateful day,